In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Coursera account. Verifying your account is an important step, especially if you're planning to take courses that offer certificates. It ensures the authenticity of your identity and helps maintain the credibility of Coursera's certifications. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Coursera profile. Once you're logged in, head over to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This will take you to your Account Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Coursera account. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the Account section. Beneath this, you'll see an option that says Verify My ID. Click on this option to begin the verification process. It's important to note here that while I'm guiding you through these steps, I won't be entering any personal information, and any details I mention will purely be for illustrative purposes. Now we're at the stage where you need to enter some personal information. Begin by entering your name as it appears on your official identification documents. This helps Coursera match your identity accurately. Along with your name, you'll also need to provide your date of birth. Be sure to double-check these details to avoid any errors that might delay the verification process. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your country of residence. This is essential as certain verification requirements might vary depending on your location. Go ahead and select your country from the provided list. The next step involves uploading a photo ID. This is a critical part of the verification process as Coursera needs to confirm your identity. You have several options for the type of ID you can upload. Depending on your preference and availability, you can choose to upload a driver's license, passport, or another form of government-issued ID. Select the option that best suits you. After deciding on the type of ID, you'll typically have the choice to either upload a pre-existing photo from your device or take a fresh picture using your webcam. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. If you don't have a camera on your device, Coursera provides the option to continue the process on another device. This flexibility ensures that everyone can complete the verification process regardless of their technological setup. And there you have it, a straightforward way to verify your Coursera account. By following these steps, you ensure your identity is confirmed, unlocking full access to Coursera's valuable resources and certifications. Remember, this process not only enhances your learning experience, but also maintains the integrity of the achievements you work hard to earn. Thanks for tuning in, and happy learning on Coursera.